Welcome to Madras Academy. Here we explore powerful tools, emerging technologies, and smarter ways to master new skills. In today's video, we're going to explore Gemini AI and see how it can help us work smarter and learn faster. So let's get started. Alright, now let's take a look at Gemini AI and see what it can actually do. First, open Google and simply search for Gemini AI. You'll see the results. Just click the first link. Once the page opens, the home screen will look something like this. Now, here's something interesting. You'll notice that Gemini gives us two types of chats. One is called temporary chat, and the other is the normal chat that gets saved. Let's start with temporary chat. Click on it. Here you can ask anything normally, just like a regular conversation. But there is one small difference. All the chats in temporary mode will automatically disappear at the end of the day. So if you're just experimenting or asking quick questions, this option is actually very useful. Alright, now let's try new chat. Click new chat. On the screen you'll see a plus icon. Click on that. Here Gemini shows several options like upload files, add from Google Drive, add photos, NotebookLM. Let's try uploading a file. Click upload files. Now let's select one photo from Google Drive. Once the image is uploaded, let's give Gemini a prompt. Type something like, redesign this image, change the background color, and improve the image quality. Since we uploaded an image, Gemini processes it using its image model called Nano Banana. And within a few seconds, the image is generated. And here it is. You can see the image now has a brighter background, better quality, and even improved design elements. Pretty impressive, right? Now let's try something else with the same image. Ask Gemini to describe the image. Pause. It generates a full description of the picture. But suppose you don't want a long explanation. You can simply ask, simplify this, and Gemini will convert the description into a short and simple version. You'll also notice some really helpful options here. For example, you can listen to the response in audio. You can export the content directly to Google Docs, or even add it as a draft in Gmail. Let's try exporting. Click Export to Docs, and just like that, a document is created automatically. Alright, now let's explore some tools inside Gemini. First, let's create an image. Ask Gemini, generate an image of a dog swimming in a pool. Now Gemini starts generating the image. Usually it takes less than 2 minutes, and here it is. Exactly the image we asked for. From here you can download it or share it easily. Now let's try another fun tool. Let's create music. Type this prompt. Create a melody music track. Gemini generates the music in video format, and you can download it either as audio or video. NotebookLM. Open NotebookLM. Here you can upload documents, websites, or even YouTube videos. For example, let's go to YouTube and search for React Native full course. Copy the video link and paste it inside NotebookLM. Now NotebookLM analyzes the entire video. Then it converts the video into a structured script format. So instead of watching a long video again and again, you can quickly understand the content. And that's not all. You can ask questions about the video, and NotebookLM will answer based on the content. NotebookLM also gives some powerful learning tools like audio explanation, 2 AI voices discussing the topic, slide decks, video overview, mind maps, flashcards, quiz questions. For example, let's open the mind map. Here you can see the entire course broken down into smaller topics. It gives you a quick overview of the full course. Now let's try the quiz feature. NotebookLM generates quiz questions from the video content. Each question comes with answers, so you can test your understanding easily. All these notes and resources are stored inside NotebookLM, and whenever you want to access them again, just open NotebookLM inside Gemini. You'll see all your saved notebooks there. Click the video, ask questions again, and continue learning anytime. And that's how you can use Gemini AI and NotebookLM to learn faster, smarter, and more efficiently. If this video added value to you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll continue growing together. This is Madras Academy. See you in the next video.